this iPhone 16. I'm having more iPhone 16 now. iPhone 16 I can above market back. I say big man, big trouble. And some of the features this iPhone 16 Odocha Bemanya. So I'm still trying to iPhone 16. I can't me post to see I'm going iPhone 16 on upgrading to iPhone 16, but all those things, same way, all those things are rubbish. So I don't know. Call about the thing. I coupled the video, came na so I was struggling to unmute myself because the features carry an iPhone 16 Pro Max. So when them on a Hanobu, Kashmir Valentine and us. Christopher. Christopher.
My brother, thank you so much.
So we call about a couple of not just can't teach for iPhone 16 problem they had too much.
Big man. But one name, I mean,
no, the iPhone 16 is nice. I like him. All the very easy to use and the features, everything. So
my brother,
Christopher, because Ghani, who came here,
yes, in Philippines, everyone.
Okay, welcome, my brother.
Based on this Okura matter. Imana Okura Okua, Otago, based on no Akon and Rome Igbo, Otago, and the JPAC, Bonya Goro Okua, Kuya, JPAC and Okua, Yama Lotari Otago, JPAC Lotari, Bosia saying an Umuiba, Kamana Umuiba and Yanaka. Chaton against in the Nanyaka, and which is not a year more. Now,
can I be something? I forbid in video JPAC in the room. I'm a major JPAC with you. Why just live out of my own?
I know.
Only going help with the police, and I won't do it again.
Yeah.
So I forbid video JPAC, but all that JPAC was something like that. Man, on my own. Because sometimes we have to tell ourselves the truth.
Yes,
despite the differences.
Of course.
We have to tell ourselves the truth.
Yeah.
You know? So God even want me.
So, many people are not comment. Some who got are not comment. Some who are got I was unfortunate in Fupaka Ezugo, our brother Ezugo, but after life. Eotago. Na akọchọ n'ụkwa jee paaki n'ihe ahụ o kwuru why o ji eji wee na-asị senyezere n'ụmụ Igbo aka. No, it's not like that because many people na-atụ ụjọ ihepụzi ndebe anyị. Ọ bụ na ndị na-ehepụ mmadụ anọghị. The reason why ha ji wee na-atụ azụ bụ ị nwere ike sị ka inyere mmadụ aka inyechara onye ahụ aka onye ahụ abịazi against you na-achọzi ka ọ rịkpasịta gị n'isi ịghọta. That is what JPAC is saying. Egotago. No buru na ịchọ ka help oge na ikwesịrị ịdị loyal. Mgbe ihe na-eme ma ọ na-eme ihe na-eme ma ịtọ onye a ma ọ na-etọ onye you have to be loyal because ị chọrọ enyemaka onye ahụ and ịma na onye a ga-emere gị ya ị chọrọ. You have to be loyal. That is where JPAC is going, but some people agotago. Enwere ike were na-ehetiri ya ọ nọ na-ekwu sometimes yes na ịghọtago why na ihe niile o kwuru na that video that day bụ ka o si wee dị ịghọta
my brother
ihe o kwuru ọ sị na before ndị anyị bere ndị Igbo aka na anyị na-edere sanitize onwe anyị na ala Igbo ịghọta. That is the truth. Onwe ihe ọzọ, that is the truth.
I say my brother, una no like this. Muanka, if we need go this stranded, help where na Canada again. Chineke agaghị ekwe ihe ọjọọ.
Ifugo n'ihe ịkọrọ kịta na
Chineke agaghị ekwe. Maybe ọkwakpọ m onye nọkwa ebe ahụ makwa ihe mere ọ Yoruba guy njọ ya na life ka ọ gara dị ka na njọs na package dị the guy na-akọ ha gbanwe ihe na-asị the guy you just ain't talking about last week person wey dey help you because of small thing you don dey call police they report the guy like it's not making any sense. Ihe nwa o ji ọ na-akọsa police bụkwa ihe na-enweghị isi. Most of ihe bụkwa iwu ya na ọsị m na nchụpụ onye India ọ bịakwutere na my place. You see, I'm going to chụpụ the guy. No, only the standard ka that guy standard. Come on, the guy no onwe ya offset to go be na money go time o ji wee pụọ. I said the guy in convince ya na ya nwa dey borrow my like ya na-enwe isi so ya the guy person na-enwe okwu ya. Only expect can side the beer. Happen this yamba. Life is not like that.
But life I the whole like that.
See
why na ya nwa
to phone. But police
why na ya nwa bụkwa help ka ihe pụkwara n'onwe ya fa. No.
You don't know me from anywhere. You just meet him na Facebook page. Same nekwe say okay, no problem. And the man didn't know be more those things. And may help others still make hand on and came. Obuzo ki wa bụla gị na so ofu house.
Yeah.
But all these people in this year see onwe bụ nke mụ na nwere any issue.
Ndị Igbo be anyị na-edere iwepụ hatred and wepụ anya ukwu. Iwepụ hatred and wepụ anya ukwu. We are going far because na street ya na-asị na anyị onye ọbụla nọ street. Anyị kwesịrị anyị pụta ije na UK, jee na US. Onye Yoruba ọbụla batara UK or US. Ịsụ ha na Yoruba. Onye Yoruba ibe ga-ewere nụ ya. Opikiri gị ozugbo.
Immediately.
Mana ebe na Igbo be anyị ka anyị na-enwe nwere ike sị efe onye Igbo onye ngịnị ya si ofu ebe na-asụ asụsụ dịsa na-asụ ịpụta ịgafere nwaanyị o jeji wee gafere dutu ihe ndị be anyị na-eme o nwere ike ịkpọbata onye ha n'egbu ụlọ kịta na-adozicha ya na sichara ihe ha na-eme o nwere ike chiri ihe n'ọtọ ọnụ ha ga-esi ndị nwa pịawa ga azụ for nothing and which is not ihe anyị kwesịrị ịdị na that practice na ka anyị kwesịrị ịdị na-eṅomi fụka ndị Yoruba si eme fụka ndị Hausa si eme na mba niile dị iche iche ọgba asịsa anyị na-eje obodo oyibo ọgba asịsa anyị nọgara
ị na-ege ntị na background ị nwere ike na-anụ olu nwa na-ebe akwa ọkwa ofuko for help ahụ one guy ọkwa Yoruba ama m one girl ya na ya ihe ha ji iji hụ eme ọhụ na afọ abago amụọ nwa arụkata esewe okwu ama m fat ọgụ gọọmenti ewuru nwa nye the guy because the guy na-eme ka onye ara onye na-agwa gị onye ndị a na-akpọ isi n'ala onye ha so one lady ọ sị na-ehep ya ịmago na ebe a before ụfọdụ help oge one ya na-aga chọọchị ha ya achọ ka anyị na-eme everything bụkwa onye be ha ma this guy bụ onye na-akpọ isi n'ala onye Muslim you know mana oh my guy kọwa amago m ya since earlier this year ka mma ọ na-adị na-abịakwa my place sometimes so due to the choice so the woman eje church steady the woman si ya kuru de nwa pụọ nketa nke cha ndị food oyi na-atụ ọbani kọkpọ na-asị m na today uniro ka ya na de nwa ga-anọ na onwezi ebe ọzọ ma na de nwa ga-anọ na ọhụ na my place gọọmenti na-achọrọ ebe asis ka mama enweta ụnụ ati na otu ebe ya nọfere egbu isi ngwa kuru de nwa bịa the guy ị na-ege ntị ya na obere onu nwa mụrụ ọfụrụ na background na my place na the guy just pụọ na gode meet ndị welfare because okwupụ court ebesi ikpe ha ndụọ ya nwa n'aka ma ndị obodo a ma m ka o sitere ha dapụ nke nwaanyị nwa ha ndụọ the guy n'aka for custody o je imi ha na ka achọwarị unu you know all these things in fact agwa ndị no na my place onwe ihe nche all those things eme because I'm not even carrying in life. And I'm not all of us did the assist in one way or the other. Yeah, man, we want to open now. But don't keep on only but as you know, fight a quack all game and if I name it. Like getting all those things, especially from Igbo by. You know, just out of nowhere. It was a game. make career on how they put you through. Can go to that position or no? If I was here, no one use Sugi or no one like I'm not getting all those things. I'm spending close to 12 years in the entertainment industry or more than safe. In terms of being a artist here, all this thing, or maybe a director, a producer, industry. I talk about like when we go see, I do me 40, 60 or 30, 70, and they make you know, management they make you on certain things. Oh, yeah, they influence, yeah, they push you. Yeah, Munya expect cultures who may miracle those things. Some people can still do it for you, but when we buy against Kodika car on Kuya benefit. Maniga phone by Oranya, what we did. Other tribe, I had a take care. Say, yeah, that in again with it. Can they chase? How much go define now? But when you go buy a bidon at that one, who be able for this year any two. As if you knew for the Christmas, we're not going to pay. Meanwhile, I have you now, and also you now for stages in life when you pass it before you take that level.
Exactly go to their package where exactly because wanna go many things off the things and
nobody go exposed. I don't have any issue with JPAC. The only problem we do with JPAC or no say make it sing go further. You never go do sometimes he may respect it, but what's the key name? But in terms of JPAC, I'm not taking anything away from him. Entertainment, you know, put the contact and everything. Off so many things. You know,
exactly.
So that is just the thing. But to this thing, as far as this one is concerned, you don't blame anybody for not helping anybody.
I swear.
You can't.
Because all on the buying and all these things. I tell you. On the buy.
We need to work on ourselves. If not, work by Jazueje. And if not, I go on an edge. The more I am go to boom thinking about go to chop and diet. I never put this experience. The more Koya Panam by an age, we're gonna help anybody. Just like my own now, I can go me like this. Only Igbo. Even I did na page, na bomb boss, sa, boss. You boss. Gizie what pocket on ya so feel you know what they call or bag him gone.
Well, and your marker was at least if you go on here, if you go on here, one or two. Imanonya, Monque, Noya, Moya, do more than Muloya. Yaparia, because
Brother, we are new.
So, yes, I'm from a program and the team touch the second tier on exactly 19 working. But some people got ahead because of now, because I don't hate or no, they put some
differences now. Differences. But my own is that no matter what, even I go online and I know about on some certain issue, we need to put all those differences aside and address it with the truth and honesty on email.
Exactly.
If not, why by Jazueje?
Yeah.
It's the reason why my for the hard I bet trend they cook. I didn't tell you all man na give it and name other things. Because I won't go on that name na call for I name in all happen the main issue if we say na tackle. The truth and honesty correct him maybe because they want you na Nigeria dia say ho odo the on the side den kai bio dika hana balance meanwhile on the bike this smart can we money for na aru kwesi dey ntugu no fe manu na eme ha ko si so ha
na the internet ana ko onye ajidu ibi onye ajidu ibi ochoko tanishi image onye nna the thing na agbakasị ma ahụ eziokwu ihe na-eme n'ịntanetị sometimes the thing na agbaka na-asị ihe a emere anyị eme anyị nwebụ ndị Igbo emere anyị eme onye a jide nwanne ya ị ma na o nwere ihe nwanne gị ji eme ome ịnụ na nwanne gị mere ihe instead of gị nwe bring ya on na social media you call him aside out social media
address ya si afa ka ihe na ana m emekwu ya I'm going on social media. One thing now, privacy guy, don't they lose it? Okay,
if I want to give Maria instead of if we are outside, dụọ ya ọdụ ibupụtabi ya na social media ị na-ebupụtazi ya na social media ka gịnị mee ebe ọha niile ga-afụzi ọha niile fụchazie ya esi na ị na-enye ya advice. Which kind of advice is that? It doesn't work that way. Anyị kwesịrị ịdị na-eme ka ihe anyị na-adị normal, ka ihe anyị na-adị ka ndị Igbo. Anyị na-anachigazi azụ. I don't know why. We are going back. We are going back.
I need to address all these things. If not, I'm going to buy Jazzy. You know, but with my own experience, one Igbo had me. Moi, if I don't know go do Igbo, na I got some mpa neko isi aga menka. Mia nga no si otaka. Me make anybody for me again. Our chance is go king wajeba me like this one name couple. Opposing ke otagi make sure. Maybe like that you do the thing the right way. You make a mistake because that's how I do my thing. I mean, I'm sure straight away. I make my references. I told Madono. I made family rent Madono here because I made rent to never get everything credit score again the savings. You know how quick we got it. I made most of them. You cannot talk about my name, everything. When you have idea. But since this guy may carry here, I don't want wahala. I don't want any issue. I don't want any issue because most of these people, we all grew up in a different background, in different family. Life experience and the reasoning is different. Man, I can't talk and just a woody hojo when you me home. It's not making any sense to me. For what? Explain out what your family, where they come from, nowhere. You know.
So what do my brother? Oh, I can't continue. No,
well, thank you for joining me. Huh?
Yeah. No, what now?
So they said it's not making any sense to me. Before I be documented with of ma when I na chikwera azo, they address this whole thing. We go to envy. One of the things in the wound buy now. If one of the problem neighbor our youth now, or this year like I am as a high name, it is desperate in life. Uno na this is desperate. Came it here up. Let me use Akozion as a case study. Una Akozion no na mano oga bidolia call look into business since many years. If we go anya name is 10. Mwana ma kana amakam now can know that level of only things like that. They were too desperate. Come on, I'm with the same thing. With this level, no. You know? They were too desperate. Come na Monaco, no the same level, I made the same thing. Meanwhile, I'm home stages all past going in life. I'm home also. Before we know that level, can't you come overnight? Then almost they could see pocket them so now. Based on a miracle, go on. Just they spend money anyhow. Like I tell you, say, I don't have money. I don't have money. I should focus on my life. You say you don't have. Don't worry, can make your life. I got pure gas. Give them what you tip your nobody. You know? So they can. Just like now you can go that level overnight without these due processes. So we can see now, based on the contact adequate. Maybe do na, maybe then no about come on, maybe why or name me obey. Now watch has he made the thing. Now watch he say, come on, and they will live with the same life. May we here go like it, may we the same thing overnight. Without a come well and all those things. So he may some of them they buy now. But I ain't telling you, I can when the young people or guys say they grateful, they need the markets. Upon your not help where help where need help. Or upon your not be your way. Need the help. Man, waiting with that. I think that they laugh like some that they laugh like don't worry, can make your life. Was I give him no now? Egade, una na-eme ihe ego abi. Ego nke m dị mma ka a na-ere, ego nke unu dị mma ka a na-ego material things. You know, ọ bụ onye ọbụla n'idire enyemaka bịa to you bụ onye Chineke chọrọ ka help ya ihe nlen go so far in life. Onwe ndị ha na-abịapụta gị na-ebekwara ha n'idire enyemaka atụpụ na ahụ ọnụ ndị a ga-egbu gị na those people go finish you pata. You know? What am I trying to say? For us to address this whole issue, I get it from grassroots. We go to envy and unnecessary jealousy. Or they call I think the last guy joined him called Valentine. What they call Kashmir Valentine brought to ya. This thing idiot to an mock news they post about evangelism. I target him there. I saw all those things, but I just try to ignore those things because only query. And sometimes those people just also talk notice here, man, how can they exist? Sometimes I will see all those stories. I will leave them. Yeah, not with them there. Because how come sometimes if you post, you are making them to be relevant. You are kind of making them to people to notice that they still exist or whatever. I wish I'm not a baby blogger or all this thing, person that my own entertainment is your work. I will leave you there with your stupidity, deal with it. But most of these things, those people na didn't put a when they help go help no closer. Ma one or two na leak those information. Maybe because had this year waited that favor. And the most of the people asking back help, how did the help? The reason had Jabiaro or the reason some people did the royal to you, but he benefited from you. I mean, some of this one now I say boss. All those things no they shake me again. Boss, yes, because no I need this something. Or sagidegi, sabatani megi. Or God that's on certain things, people outside. Again can Lagos before me travel. Over one guy post to natural no. Oh, one guy he say Nambuge or something like that. One idiot to an apokalichuku. Then, if you guys can remember, some of that guy they post there no. Only one of my close friends being any of those things. Fortunately for him, only Achopo no is my cousin brother. But don't know. I didn't have na bed there because I me shoot carry around that place, and sometimes I didn't like it the way they go hotel. When any of my friend or family beside that Lalu their location may because more have been na island they can be there. Oh, that idiot took one my guy. No all those small story Obudia be that blogger. One girl on a phone guy who feel you know. Na mona the girl a date. Oburia, I post the picture of the girl of my girlfriend. Njikwe yanka njeme homi yanka. So what am I trying to say? Oh, Konya no get closer. The idiot boy in any kione doing all those things. So Konya ne help. Konya chokali put to through in life. Feel it. See, nkajime, nkeme, ozahage ne na form was it? Ne na form was it? Because I told you that you see, we're not tagging. When after more those things, you can say, well, me on my own. When you own anybody get about me now get shaking, I don't give a damn. So most of these things in our future online book, and they know one email. You see those people we have once helped in life, they are our problem today. Because of this guy now who are taken back to Nigeria. Can help Boni Igbo. Just Canada. 2 weeks kokano or not be the 2 weeks actually me just help ya ntikwe na my own city that fail almost 22 cities. Some of you right now go for the non-train na gafe na aga betere aka. Some of those things in Nagao ije meet ndị na amaho just to help them. I passed 22 cities just to go and meet the guy. Ibono. Some of them woman in ha lodge your hostel the cheaper. Iga or here me better. Not 3 days or 4 days. Then from there, but I'm just telling you about okay, who to it prepare so that can do take in office before naga ben naga. And the can't do nya iba can nasia iba. Sunya who name nka sunya name nka. I'm one the address him send ya na WhatsApp. How do you address ni address akajina file they give for card or document. Because once I'm in on a hotel, only have because I'm on your temporary address. And before anything here, I need the address, the postal code, everything, apartment number. I need all those things. Yeah, and then now my home, then just I'm from nowhere. Send the Anya, how is it about meditate on Naga? You make us about my place. Oh, because of simple thing. You won't boost. This will mark what I'm going to quick yes a minute with that in case all way be no in danger. 1911. Why he doing? Why he doing? Oh no, again and come me back close go broody follows book. So what forum police. I can never in my life forget that thing. Not at my place, forum police. Had you have street me street apartment number, apartment number that it just be Kabel Nigeria, it's in Nigeria just be, and I'm trying to do this, I'm trying to do that, and this and that. That you are ever going to say that his life is at risk, that not the scared that I can do him anything. Jesus, get a kiri no kuna gam nisi. Iya ja torma mo ga hoto mo iya ja torma na ajosum. Nature takes those things that guy put you through there. Give for this guy Bekwensu. None at all his life na his life is at risk, is something. Police is street, only street him, apartment him, floor, only the floor only. Okay, how do you say okay? Because I gave Buzo, I had you get Kehija, but a guy in had your Ajuazi KB no everything. Had the chance, I just say okay, Kehemen, ya brief for him, or Quasi Hena Bakamoto, or Korobago, or Korobada, or Korobago, or Korobada. That's how the thing you have for. No boy ya hage jab. No eche mokas no ka battle without us. And the only and also no his brother, like from the same tribe. Only Ibona Hassan here Japan haga just settle ya who could you have hage jab. If not, all you know this serious no here commit you. What is to everywhere? Yeah, a little bill. You didn't carry on a junction a penny. It didn't know why. Send the other my name, my address, and complain. That guy. Before they made 2 minutes, in one go wow. I pack any who but tables will be a broom. Unaka Canada see a walk. Within 2 minutes, police are go. Another honey to check you go there. He had this thing, a mark is bureau, but everything was a case of only committee. He na that straight. He need the alcohol. You know? Approved because of help. Only Igbo. Muno Yoruba no. He won't problem. Muno India be. He won't problem. Eba ne go see evidence. The last thing in game on this social media. Eba ne so certain things for people to believe me. Don't worry. They came when video. Okay. Only Indian name assist. Canon and Kim. Maybe I still have the video. Can't check in my phone. Or maybe I made the delete again. I don't know. No could see any of his video here. That video is no longer here. God can take a cap because sometimes some people feel okay. Not this blogging of a thing. You are trying to make this one. I don't take that level again. I'm not saying that level you put on social media can cook like you can impress you. I don't care. You can think whatever you want to think about me. You know? That video was here. I would have show you guys. Okay, onye India can a lot of them now here. Fix it themselves, move. You know? Also that guy who go on up on that phone, could take you on me, could say that. Also, near media now, one day, see from India can never do it for him in life. When I'm a able. Oh, that guy be here one day. Awesome. Sometimes I used to be scared. You see why are you scared? Awesome, because you are too good to me. Awesome, because you are too good to me. You see, I need you. Okay. Can you give it too good to money? Pussy, you hear me again? I told you. I said no. That he used to be scared because I don't know him from anywhere. Also, that day, I'm not saying Nekos or to nothing. Plus, okay, I don't see him bang. Yaparobia. We're not going to Quarabella, please. You know? You know, 3 months to Charata, we fish himself up. He won't have issue with Onya, he won't issue with Yoruba, he won't have issue with Guinea. I think Guinea. That guy, Christian. Only Igbo. But I cannot 2 weeks. Apokwana only issue money amwe. Because of Obere. I said it on my first video. To phone police. Report to them. They don't put it. She now see when you can help on Igbo again. He be blame him. Same I should know now. He relax go. Make onions on the last year. He relax. Make onions on the last year. I can never. It's not possible. Not possible. So from Kavidia ne kwari we put on your opinion here. We put on your opinion here. We put on your opinion here. I was laughing, but this today no. At least I'm around today or even in my appointment. You see, can't people go do some certain things for those of us or those of people who can actually help? One day, at the quarantine, ndi Igbo can help. Hage muki. Help I help bro. Hage die bunu ganya. That is just the thing. Hage bugi. Forget here on only ya phone ya make him another agenda n'ime obia. And the reason why for how only is because na him with the be ha na cho ha arrive be. Once have to have forward the green light like a footway the last was set to wobere ha jigi the real color. They will deal with you. Oh, yeah, Jesus got now. Allow me to do this live. I don't want to swear for you. You know? So, Okurora, I'm not against your opinion or trying to call out people or anything, but don't blame anybody. Not he help, or rather, don't blame na only Igbo. Not he help anybody, or not he help anybody, because some of them really want to help, but with life experience and with what they have passed through, or the ones who have grown into, Okay, half room others. Onwe ga chọ ka those things me. And onwe ga chọ ka igbu afia unnecessarily. Since in Battle, I know how I've been doing my thing. Now handle the whole pressure with everything. I am settled by his grace. Name me onaga. Cause somebody you see from Niger, but I here for 2 weeks. Being the first ever police case. Name Oboda. First ever police case name. One now. First ever police case name. Onwe onye ga-achọ ka a novice, if I should call it, or onye na help also put oil like that. Ona Flavour no na ima he build to go legacy. How about you have half go duranya before I load that level. Then a choker upcoming. Now they may boss, oh Igbo, help God don't do it for you. A grace carry all those sins. Mayor, a pocket unya hunsu. Onya finish, unya build for long. They will not want to do it. Don't not this, I see you. They will not want to do it. You know? So for those of you still sending me requests, I will be stopping anytime soon. I'll be stopping it. I will be stopping this telecast anytime soon. You know? So helping should come from the heart. But when you're not actually help, don't judge the person, don't blame the person. Because of waganya. Man on him can't patrol, but him baby on my own is that who can phone you about this stranded. Gary help put where through. Him baby no when since him patrol Buddha. Who can phone you this stranded no Buddha. When you need to be on my inbox, the room. Nah, not to be cool, but many people. I'm go many people who do visitor visa. Since years, hasn't me about travel no one hammer how to go, hammer how to start and see I come more down. Nyonya WhatsApp, Popatoya na WhatsApp. Let like what the person he ono get say make his things. We are wabate ba hero use airport on kai bata go like this, go like this. Ngwe bata mail like this, mail like this, mail like this. Ejina jeme wenka. I may go to Junior and what K Bruno baby or see much of their comments on our walk. Nenka. Then have a that all money Bruco when Uno Meka, Jekukunyaho, Meoya from Siakabi on one of my bed here. One Neko is yard, Neko is yard. I am baby within myself. I will always name my thing. Come for the any born and for this standard. As far as they are better my province, I must put you through. But you see, this last guy, I can never do it again in this life. It's not possible. So no matter the name of the wicked, no matter the name people, Hane Bindu Diana. Some of you might be saying, you can always help this one, that one, that one. Madnina Dihona. Man, no foisi that or Madana Bruna. If you foisi, we don't know one, no foisi, I know Bruna, Brizibuni, when you shina the home. You know? So that is just it. Some people can say, it's not good though. This one, that one, this one, that one. Don't allow one person wickedness to affect your heart. Akụkọ na-egwu or affect your sins. Nande nwachukwu onye mkpụrụ mmiri. Or affect your sins. Oh, don't allow one person. One day, when you can't make the one day move. Asking now, if you hear this guy act that day. If you hear this guy at it that day, my brother, he got my head on Agwam here in Agwam. These guys are not same no guy frustrate him. These guys are on same. I wish that the person not here. Because so all on my place that night. Here na go ni ha. 8 abani. Here na ku ebe 1. 12 na. Here na the guy name issue. Here we are not stand na side onye India side home. Yama. With the other things one epugasi. You don't know me from anywhere. We are not from the same village. Nothing. Just on phone in our sweet, but say okay. Mr. Badu, come and stay at my place. At least can you give 1 month? Do you 1 month to a feast you will give? Oh, moi, we here for ya. Very early in the morning. Oh, there no fees. Able to register for some certain things. We waited the first document, waited the second document. I told me now, Kuafa. Waited the first document, waited the second one. After no offer there, things are naga. Free the dinner. All the last we go by we go ni hard. We go to him na no Igbo, no all ezigbo. So go and ask him don't use because of one person something or whatever. I don't want to swear for you. Tidi onya ye bufuom be fair man. Okay, I should not use because of one person something me. Na girl I be na guy. Na guy. Doris on. So you need not make no. Oh, na girl I be na guy. Bro, he got you. I be na guy. I see you too. I don't want to swear for you. Sonny Dixon, I greet you. It's not making any sense to me. Nandi they laugh now. I get my hair talking now. So our Igbo people, we need to work on ourselves, and we are bad. My own is that our Igbo people are somehow bad. Anyone want to help? No peace. Sometimes we are doing things of God, not human. Akoko Legu. Yeah. The Anambra person. Before I'm calling Anambra now. Oh, hey. Anambra person now. On that. Oh, yeah, Anambra. Kashmir vow. Anambra person now. Before oh no, cannot address the issues that concern Igbos, especially different states. Okay, some people will not like the way I'm doing my thing here. Because in many like I'm not saying that no everybody do, like I said on my first video. I'm not saying it too. But sometimes I have there is reason is so for me how this period had in life. To the almost Rike. How this period had in life. You know?
Hey, brother.
Well, I greet you.
I greet you, sir. What's up?
We do, Baba. Every say I know right.
Okay. America.
Oh wow. I want on a backyard do now. Call one on a backyard die.
One number. Sorry.
No, you do the queen and me high na based on okuna that help will say help. So I was trying to share my own experience. I'm not force anybody to help anybody. Because I came here, just for last month, I last 3 months. Obedi he ko tiri mansobu. You know? So they send in the buy no bara. When you just see Nigeria, but 2 weeks can neba. Now I'm not distracted, because of which you police. Just like that.
One thing in my hair, I need to na Facebook. Now, cause of one so woo. Ihe hụ ha chem free wa ha na-akparị onye ihu ha na-akparị onye azụ ha nọ n'ebe ha mara otu Amerịka arị ịma na Canada arị ihe ga-ahụ onye akparị nọ na azụga ọnụatụtụga ele ha akpakara n'ebi ya azụ adata 100 naira ya na ụlọ ahụ ya agbadichi oyibo na-ahụ bụ anya bifo ha gị chọọchị hụ elebohụ oyibo n'anya
maybe travel me ha na onye na-enwe international passport no ya nọ na buy gwa gị ihe na-eme na Canada gwa gị ihe na-eme na America gwa gị ihe na-eme na China then ụfọdụ firis je na ụda ka ọ dị ha batazie ha kind of then ha feel nke chọrọ ihe bụ help ka titu ha na system ha calm down.
Ikegbo, my brother, all of them like this. It got 100 just so na pass to the wire or naming 3 credits. Give on the Pariga Ghana just in next 2 years, a lot of who got it. In the next 2 years, a lot to that place. So many people don't have because problem, you know, a very big problem. That's like this. You got somebody may make a video live like this. How actually view. Most of them, half of them, they are on a cell like this. Half of them, they are on a cell, and here have the police now. A man like this, you have like this. How do you disgrace someone? My brother. Onye ọbụla enwe ike inye n'aka ọ bụ nwantị nchọ ka ị mara onye ọbụla tinye n'aka nye aka God na akọla ihe people mega or anything ga-akwụsị ihe na mmadụ aka.
My brother, nke a dị m egwu nke a riri m anya because ohu ga-eji mee that like and the ebe ha no way dim somehow na who is that now even Koge this guy na call the police here man the guy lied against me he was here a threat of life because magwana na ngama na obu ekwensu ona ko si agwa me na abani ahụ he was a threat of life gwandia na one police na his life no na atụ ụjọ ndụ ya na ọ mahụ na ngemi anything na nga ha ha wee ya ka afam onye ha ọ ma na afam na ke my apartment number ọgwa ha ke street ọgwa ha wee jụọ ya ka exactly ihe mee ọ na kọwazi ịmara ndị obodo adịghọ na iberibe na ha ma ị na-agwa ha jikwa experience uche ha na-amakwa ihe na-akọ
Ogula agba iberibe
na from Nigeria na offer on the police by abia mewe intimidation mewe ojoba ha na arụ odozi ha no here aga arụ ọrụ straight ha ogwata this one ha si mba na that ihe ahụ he no freeze ya nwekwa police that they can't do anything about it nia just money asset mo was no kasi Nigeria bia last week or say yes I said then and your brother has been here you should just settle but owo na yes settle na ya po echi
o ma hi mele yo
of them I have water no dị easy ịbata obodo onye n'obodo akpọbata gị na bia onye na-abụghị nwanne gị ọbụ family gị onwe ebe gị na asọ ma nothing
ahịa anụghị dị na list go
list tikwa
hey
nothing
ike gwụrụ ọ bụ ma ana m ihe ikwu ga-eme brother biko onye ọbụla ị ga-enye n'aka yeah, because I didn't already give a bad name na other tribes. So onye ọbụla ga-enye n'aka nye only God. But kele when you are this Facebook stuff, our people but you they membership pages. Church our problem, huh? Church our problem, huh? Somebody now one naira. They now be the egg hand. Yes, church who God only to get church who was happening. Somebody will get like 3 million or 2.5 bath like the Lagos. I will what's the animal no video. I see somebody I have the Obodo Rimma.
How I had a Obodo Rimma. How that be now?
How about you? Only now by him there we came make a program yesterday. Yes, only a Aqua home. Among how many million of only a low one. Aqua 10 million or jack about. Mashi, how many years? No, yeah. So, I say, okay, maybe I hope more, but I'm only then back here.
Oh, yeah, now. All the Korean in America. Oh, you know, somewhere na Nsukka. Oh no, we international passport too. Oh no, na gwa gị ihe na-eme na America ahụ ịnọ. Ono ga-esi dị m na-ekwu online on Facebook. Like sometimes I need ọ ka wozikwa ofu America ka ịnọ ka onwe America ọzọ. You know, some of ndị buy ga-awọrị ya, Gina misbehave.
Yeah, they both to get who had a video. I'm here like this, not like this. Share. Anyway, the other day, all my friends share like somebody who can say, yeah, okay, because when I'm not causing here, the person who get a video. Yes, no, that's this person. I'm hungry. Having normal. That's first of all, yes, or no good here before. What if we here before? So okay, share here all the lights. How they pedal over there.
Imana,
they go enmity.
Imana before Alma tribe ina share update based on onobodo di ihe na emekwe onige si abodi mana imecha ya some people never say gị na-ekwe this one na since aka and ma puara nji ekwu all those things again oh ijecha inwe di lucky enough but efe ha na afọ but in terms of Ifrahim ndị Igbo before I correct your things just like you said obodi help mmadụ isi but sometimes with past experience just like in Kangwe now, I don't sure no way help me again only Igbo. In terms of you up to be Mworu camera, now I'm not going to Kuyana. Mworu camera now go see around. They found them on my place.
I'm not know why you are being successful.
You know,
it's a more we can.
But sometimes with disaster experience, one day, all the men for messages that inbox on actually maybe any demands name me ignore. Because that guy he had
I know how you felt.
He had the honor to kill on the banner. And not when he had me in terms of young guys now. When you get on call on no banner, the scared of here data by no wine. When you can no happen the get there. That is you get to go my experience. I have a 47-year-old man named Bakwa. No, he get honor from by do not here. Zoya na nursing school, everything be merit at your piano.
Hey,
this man go pump and play that. Na magic when Nigeria no if I told no wine, I'm my wife here. This man go pump and play. Now me create that mistake. All the experience.
Yes, my brother. How much the impact of body buka na the life of your brother say no here na their brother say no here
understand imana ebi haji name is that if other tribe ha na family ha na-ebikwe n'udo, if ndị dịka ndị Yoruba, ndị ụfọdụ ndị si North, ụfọdụ ndị India, ụfọdụ ndị African countries, ha na their own ndị ihe na-aga ọfụma. Why must it be ndị Igbo?
Our oya wono ihe
Why
na
must oya bụ ndị Igbo?
all this for God and man, like federal government need to do something. In my ban on Facebook in Nigeria, all from India. I am telling you,
We are doing
ban
too
on
much.
Facebook, all get you from India. Bode Buka have changed a lot of things.
Of course, mindset
Obodo
of a lot
Igbo
of
for
people.
our people.
Of course, but ụfọdụ anyị ha ghọta.
Each preaching novel on yen, any more one in against preaching on your
Evil.
we victim of
Onye
that
abajọ
devil.
mmadụ. N'ihe ahụ ọ na-ekwu exactly.
I'm telling you, our last one about me about dinner one. I will tell you from experience. I hold only by man. This is I'm telling you now. And when there were some brothers, maybe they suffered, like their family read their property to train their elder brother. J school. Yapa ego, imana, his relative now suffer, but now suffer. Even most of them, they may have abandoned. So know their wife. But their younger, their immediate family and their brothers will not benefit from their brothers. Hey, we don't go to any long one. Now, how who by force who give you a new moon haka? But 1 year, they just got Umuni Zohana school. Oh, you ever can up or boom blog. I told her, child, why you did you from the family, the man, that they take permission. But when they get from one, I gotta take
permission.
So, on one of that, I don't know what I'm based on experience of 4 or 5 families. They sacrifice for their brothers to go to school. They are, maybe most of them may gem wire. Or who know my country, but all the love they brought down when they born. She go J school, call gem wire. Imagine after at home, your brother Lola one tomorrow. You want first of time, sometimes animation all you believe it. Walking. Give out your brothers and sisters in spend their other years. Even there, most people here they are more than some men who are Igbo and they you buy good and all sorts of people. They can have one. But their brothers in a village. Nah, so when they defend those things, don't hey, like this child. Why all this? But Abiola change those narratives. Naga before. All those things I won't love. It's stupidity.
Of course. No.
It's never love, it's stupidity. It's opposima. You can't tell me that people are magic. Your brothers who will never born, my brothers, none of them. What type of love is that? It's pure stupidity. Okay, my mom will come. You know how many years? My mother suffered for me. My dad too. It just no gave me age in one. Oh yeah, people now you don't get criticize it. You know how many people who will magemo. You don't know how you people suffered. On your go tomorrow like this, mother actually got the switch and no off and on.
Oh yeah.
You just switch off and on. Now Bible says when you marry, you become one. No, my brother. What are the other things the Bible is only Bible told you to respect your mother and your father for your life to be
that one makes you to that thing how they make a hand at a peak now.
And the other ones.
Happens the other ones. Which is bad.
Which is bad, my brother. That man who God sent. anybody should get ayawo father, ayawo pastor. I hold anya. I want you from St. Mary's Catholic Church. Church, church 3 minutes. So when you see somebody, God will use you.
Of course.
In
terms of Evangelist Ebuka, I don't need anybody to tell me anything. I don't need anybody to convince me. Also get Buru Father, also get Buru, also get Aburu Pope. I don't care. I'm a Miho represent. I'm a Miho represent. That's why sometimes when we are talking about his matter like this on social media, I don't care how anybody is saying my opinion. That's the thing.
My brother.
You know?
Yes,
now.
I had his preaching last 3 years ago. Preaching here. My wife from here. She listened to this. I get it. Oh, my wife, oh no, that this is, he's filled with the Holy Spirit. In hearing the Holy preaching, what my father told me. My father said, if I do this, that there is nothing that will make me not to succeed. As hearing name with young boys to stay away. My father told me this up on one early morning. This is I'm telling you now here on camera. If I do this, if I do not succeed, you
see?
On your all the care on here we have Christianity in our side. That thing ain't paint. Oh, yeah, with the problem. And I hide under those things. Now committing atrocities. So I didn't a man like this. Now inside had a man. So our people problem, you know. I'm telling you, problem more especially in Igbo. Problem NED sanitize. You have to reach. I got shut down this Facebook for like 6 months or so. I'm telling you because they are breathing. One of them are breathing every day. This they are here have a content creation. What they are doing is abuse. I will live over here. You got somebody behind a camera started talking about human being. Create content. Go and learn it. Go and create content. Go out there. Go and create content. Because go very soon. Most people are they want to start writing petition because all the too much. Our people mainly abuse. Most of the biggest parts of them in Nigeria will do Yoruba. You got whom do Yoruba, drag gear, or whatever on your bola preach. Stay on your own. You know, like we are not contented. Stay on your own. Respect yourself. Just be on your monsieur. Double into people something. It won't on Zion. Why always Zion? It won't winners. It won't choosing. Why you over here? Go whatever, do whatever you want to do. Why are you over there? Be careful. What I want to tell you, help people. I do help. But grace, the grace let's fight healing people.
I'm going to be equal, but my brother, I go see you there. Like, my brother, with this experience, but that is by the way, we'll still be, trying our best. Come on, not that far. I was in a negotiation where I take closer. You must be a question. You going to go and get you. Might have Kakuru key. You know, you might take we can use that tactics. Man, go me equal. We bet your original. That's what we join the open heaven. About 5 minutes to go. So it's nice to have you.
I think like the last time, always something in talk. I'm discuss what. That's why I told you that.
But they don't know inbox. Give me a lot of inbox. Sometimes you respond to chat before now. For message again. Others are but I go boot to where nana. So they don't. Can you share my WhatsApp so that it's easy to communicate with you?
Okay, Igbo. Igbo Wofu, I love to be an Igbo man.
So bad. Just tell them now.
One of our brothers here, I always recognize them. But I should do good.
That's what I'm doing.
Do
But
good.
catch was the copy of Amazon one. Ah.
Yeah. I told them, do good. I won't go to here. I won't go to it.
But just thank God. Thank God that His grace has been doing wonders for us. So, dude, my brother, it's nice to have you. Just do it now. Okay? All right.
Okay, I'll do that.
I have to stop here. Nah, I will eventually regional appointments, a time I'll do. So on a very good day, we'll still talk about this same issue. But like I said, I can't blame anybody naturally help when you're in life again. So something can help go to help. Like some of them, not all. Something can help go to help. But it's well. So let me stop.